touch my hair. When it's the
Alright, y'all. So, when taking down your hair, you don't want to take it down when it's just dry. Personally, I wouldn't do that. I want to add some sort of moisture on it to make my hair soft and easier to take down. So I have this Moisture Miracle Coconut Milk and Honey Leave-In Conditioner Spray by African Pride. And I also have this Leave-In Cream by African Pride. First thing I'm going to do is spray my hair with this. And don't forget the roots because you have new growth. So you want to soften it a little bit. And also don't forget the hair. That's what I do. And you also want to get the leave-in cream. You don't have to get a lot because a little goes a long way. I'm going to get about that much. Rub it together. And yeah, like I said, don't forget the roots because you got the new growth. And don't forget the hair either. Because as y'all know, and if some of you guys don't know, if you take down your hair and it's dry, oh baby, it's going to be a whole bunch of breakage with that. So moisturizing your hair causes less breakage, and we don't want all that breakage. That's a no-no. All right, so the next step is you want to get some scissors, any kind of scissors. It really doesn't matter. And you want to cut where you think your hair doesn't stop, okay? Me, I'm gonna be a little overboard. I'm gonna start down here because you know, honey, you know your hair don't stop down here. So then I'm going to get one, put the rest up. You can use a little clip for this or whatever you choose. And you just want to take down your, okay, I'm doing too much starting all the way down here. Be gentle. Like, I advise y'all to take down y'all's hair when y'all are bored. That's what I'm doing because I was just in my room bored and I was like, let me do my hair. Because if you're in a rush, no, you want to be gentle with your hair because you don't need, you just need to treat your hair with respect. Y'all can see, just taking it down slowly. I'm being very gentle as well. All right, here's my first thing, and I have a garbage can right here, so I don't think I'm just throwing it on the floor. And as you get up there, you might have some product buildup. You just want to rub your hands, rub your thumb through it. Okay, first one down, and my hair is real moisturized. It's shedding, that's how much came out. Your hair is going to shed because it's been in the same state for how long? A month. I'm going to repeat that process throughout your whole head. Just going to take them down. Don't forget to moisturize your braids before taking them down. Because like I said, taking your braids down while it's dry is not a safe way to go in my opinion. So yeah, I'm about to speed this video up. I'm about to time lapse it. And yeah, I'll catch y'all when I'm done.
someone to know soon. Come fuck with me. I ain't got no plans for the weekend. Don't know what you was thinking, but I don't got no drinks for drinking. I got some weed for smoking, and I got some songs for listening. But I don't got work in the morning. Shit, you don't know what you're missing.
Alright, y'all, so I'm finally done taking out my braids, but this is how my hair is looking. It smells kind of, I don't know. Okay, this is how my hair is looking. Woo! It is so soft. If you have not seen my video on how to moisturize your natural hair while it's in the protective style box braids, I'm gonna link it above so y'all can go check it out, because you have to keep your hair moisturized in your protective style, or your protective style it has no meaning. Okay, so yeah, this is how I'm looking. We still got that body because we make sure our ends are trimmed and our ends are taken care of. Okay, my next video will be of me twisting or braiding my hair, probably twisting it, so be on the lookout for that, and I will see y'all in my next video. I hope this video helped you. Like I said, make sure to moisturize your hair before taking it down, because let me show you how much hair came out. It's not that much, but I know when I wash my hair it's gonna be crazy. Okay, so yeah, but I did the leave-in spray, or you can use water, then I put some cream on it to make it soft. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to Jmonrosa TV. Turn on your post notification bell too, so you can get notified when I post a video. Okay, yeah, bye.
I just got